Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the contacts, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Unfortunately, we have to choose another contact because that one did not have the phone number assigned. So that may be this one. No, this one also doesn't have a number, which is quite strange because here we've got the number. Okay. So if we've got the contact, here under it we've got the contact settings, and as you can see we've got block numbers. So let's simply tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so simply tap on block to finish. And as you can see, here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist or not. So now, to open the blacklist, we have to go back to the contacts, and it doesn't really matter actually if you will be on the contacts, recents, or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and open the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is the list, the blacklist actually, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can simply tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. At the top we've got also the option unknown, thanks to which we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. Just by tapping on the switcher we can activate that. We can turn it off the same way. And if you wish to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.